Hi, welcome to HT Digital. I'm Chinuk Sen and today we're going to be talking about the top features of the latest headphones from Skullcandy, the Skullcandy Indie Fuel. So you know the Skullcandy has a whole range of headphones and earbuds and everything. These are the latest ones, the truly wireless solutions from this house, and we're going to be telling you all about it. The Skullcandy Indie Fuel earbuds are the latest edition of the truly wireless solutions for Skullcandy. It already has a whole bunch of earbuds and these are the latest ones. They're available in two colors, black and grey. Now let's dive straight into the features. The Skullcandy Indie Fuel comes with a wireless charging case. So what does this mean? You can charge this case with its normal charging wire. So you can plug that USB into a laptop or a charging port or like one of those bases that come with your phone charger. Also, you can charge this with a wireless charger by just placing the charging case on the pad. You do not necessarily need the wire, but you need to have a wireless charging pad that is compatible. The Skullcandy Indie Fuel promises 30 hours of total battery life and it comes with a rapid charge technology support. The Skullcandy Indie Fuel has an IP55 rating, which means it's sweat, water and dust resistant. Now, it's water and dust resistant, it's not waterproof, so you cannot wear these earbuds when you're swimming or if you're in the shower by mistake or you get caught in a heavy downpour of rain. You can wear these buds while you're working out. It can handle a bit of sweat and that much water, but that's about it. Do not take these buds swimming. Each of these buds come with full media control because Skullcandy wants you to use the buds solo. Most earbuds cannot be used solo. If you take one of them off, the other one automatically stops working because it pauses the music, because the technology assumes that you're taking the bud off for some practical purpose like taking a call or having to listen to somebody else. However, Skullcandy wants you to use these Indie Fuel earbuds individually if you so want. Therefore, each and every bud comes with its own set of controls. The Skullcandy Indie Fuel comes with Tile built in. So if you have the Tile app on your phone, you can easily find your earphones in case you have lost them. So now as you know, these were the top features of the Skullcandy Indie Fuel. We'll be doing a detailed review of these truly wireless solutions and we'll let you know all about it, whether it's good, whether it's worth buying, all the important details. Till then, that's all from us. Take care, stay safe, stay at home. Bye.